Welcome to this tutorial on how to center align videos in WordPress. In this session, you will be guided through every step needed to achieve a neat and appealing video layout on your site. We begin by directing you to open your browser and go to WordPress. Once you have loaded the WordPress homepage, your next step is to locate the login option at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This simple action takes you to the login page where you will prepare to access your account. After clicking on the login option, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. Selecting this option allows you to choose your preferred Google account for authentication. This streamlined login method makes it easier to access your WordPress account without the need to remember separate passwords. Once you have successfully signed in using your chosen account, you are now ready to edit your website. To begin editing your site, navigate to the Quick Links section. In this area, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site brings you into the Customizer or Site Editor area where you can make changes to the layout and content of your website. At this point, your screen will display various editing tools and options. Moving forward within the Site Editor, search for the plus icon that is typically found at the top left corner of the interface. This icon is essential because it allows you to add new elements to your page. When you click on the plus icon, a menu or search field will appear, prompting you to enter the word video. As soon as you start typing, WordPress will offer suggestions and options related to video integration, which simplifies the process of embedding your media. After typing video and receiving the proper suggestions, go ahead and click on the video option. This action will lead you to a new interface where you can upload your video file. You may be prompted to select a file from your computer, and when the file is selected, it will automatically begin uploading to your WordPress site. Allow the upload process to complete before moving forward to ensure that the video is properly embedded. Once your video has been successfully uploaded and integrated, look to the top left corner of the screen where you will find a section labeled Document Overview. Clicking on Document Overview brings up additional options that help you adjust and manage the elements on your web page. In this view, scroll down to locate the video you just added. When you have found your video, click on the three dots associated with it. This action reveals further settings that are available for customization. Among these settings, you need to choose the group option. Selecting group will enable you to organize the video element so that it can be more easily manipulated. With the group selected, the final act in this process involves choosing the Justify Center option located on your navigation bar. This option is specifically designed to center align your video, achieving the professional look you are aiming for. By following these instructions, you will have effectively learned how to center align a video on your WordPress site using the site editor tools. This method is straightforward and works on nearly any WordPress site, ensuring that your content appears balanced and visually engaging. Enjoy the new professional look of your centered video and the improved layout of your website.